Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. This is the last one with the mo on my face, unfortunately. So Movember's gone. Look at the previous video. There's a charity here in Australia for Movember, awareness for men's mental health. And yeah, it ain't weak to speak, but we've got Craig Jolly's brand new Ram 2500 behind me. This one's going all the way over to the other side of Australia, to Perth, Western Australia. It's from AUSMV here in Brisbane, so it's been given the left to right hand drive conversion, remanufacture process actually. It's not just a conversion. What the guys do there is quite complex. Starting off with this vehicle, we've gone for the most popular Carli pin top leveling kit. So this is the 2.5 inch lift in the front. We've gone and done our HD coils in the rear, which are powder coated black with the Airbag Man coil helpers to handle the weight of the canopy, sit the vehicle nice and level. And the Carli tuned King shocks, both front and rear, with the 2.5 remote resis, are definitely going to handle the impacts of Australian roads and handle the weight of this vehicle all round. Be nice and comfortable, and you can get these King shocks serviced in a few different dealers around Australia. So keeping them in good condition, looking after your suspension is definitely the key. He's then mixed it up with a Method 305 titanium wheel colour that really sets off this graphite or granite crystal pearl paint on the vehicle. We've then gone and swapped the lip bolts to black, and we've paired this up. It's now rolling on Toyo RT 35, 12.5, 18 tyres. So these are proven to be a really popular tyre all round. The Carli pin top leveling kit with the Method and Toyo combo is definitely one of the most popular here at Big Dog Builds. You'll see on the back of the canopy we've only got the one spare wheel, so Craig's opted to go for a jerry can holder for some more fuel storage on the other side. Speaking of fuel, we've also added a Brown Davis 120 litre auxiliary fuel tank to the rear of this vehicle. This one feeds into the filler of the vehicle, so you've got a little gauge up on the dash that you can switch on, transfer the fuel back into the main tank, and you always know where your levels are. So to handle the weight on the back of this one, we've got the canopy, we've got that extra fuel in the back. So like I said, we've opted for the HHD rear coils, the Airbag Man coil helpers, and then we've gone and added our signature air on board setup. So this is the twin Viair setup at the back, 11 litre stainless air tank at the rear, the ARB air outlet to the back of this Norweld canopy, and also the Airbag Man full wireless pressure control. So the plug and play gauge, and then we've actually wired the momentary switches through the Switch Pro unit up on the dash, so you can easily from the driver's seat switch your compressor on, put your airbags up and down, and also doing that compressor on, you can do the air outlet to the rear as well. So if you're deflating or inflating any of your tyres, both on the vehicle or the trailer that you're towing, or the toys for the kids rolling down a few of the creeks or water systems here in Australia, Craig's definitely gone for the best of the best air on board setup. You'll see on top of this vehicle, Craig's also running the Big Dog Build accessory rack. So this is an awesome platform that houses both the LED lighting set up all round, so the 51-inch laser lamp on the front, which has got awesome distance. It's then got the 4 steady work lights on the sides, so these can be dimmed through the Switch Pro. Few different levels. It's got flash features, all sorts of stuff here that you can do through the Switch Pro app on your phone or on the control unit that's on the windscreen. Up on top you've also got the GME UHF, the GME Aerial, which is the Telstra Selfie Go mobile phone booster, so you can get that coverage of your mobile phone while travelling. And then we've also gone for the 4x Max Trax Extreme grey boards up on top. So when you're in a sticky situation, these Max Trax are definitely the first thing that you get off the roof, throw under the wheels, and will get you out of most situations. So we've set this one up with the best wheels and tyres as well as suspension option. We've got the extra fuel on board, we've got the air on board, we've got the roof rack with the LED lighting package, we've got the caravan tow power to the rear, and Craig's opted for the Norweld Tray canopy combo on the back. So inside of this Norweld canopy, he's got a full EnerDrive setup. Norweld's got the Cymarine screen where you can monitor all the power going in and out. It's got the upright Bushman fridge. It's also got heaps of storage in these Norweld canopies, huge amount of storage actually compared to a few others that I've seen on the market. Got the drawers, he's even got the map of Australia on one of the tables that folds out. So all in all, very practical setup. In the back he's also got the jack off legs, so you can take the canopy off the vehicle altogether and run it just as a tray combo. So you can leave it at home. When you are travelling, you can simply put the canopy on the back and off you go. So the Norweld canopy, good all round, nice and simple setup, really handy toolboxes underneath. So Norweld done a great job here. If you like this setup, you've got a Norweld on order, you want to get all the rest of the accessories done, we look forward to hearing from you. We can definitely set it up to suit your needs, not just what's on the shelf. We look forward to hearing from you guys and getting these builds happening in 2023.